I think our drawing's looking pretty good. So to finish it off, I want to make sure that I've got the right revision information and title block information. So the first thing I'm going to do is go up here to the revision table. Notice I have revision A. It's going to be the initial release of the document. I'm going to go and type in today's date, and it happens to be 9/28/2015. And I'm going to go ahead and approve the document. So I'm going to type in my initials. That adds that revision. If you did any changes in the future, you just go ahead and add a new revision row, type in what changed in the document, add a date, and go ahead and approve it. Down here at the title bar, notice there's no title, there's no drawing number, there's no revision, there's no material, there's no finish. Now, I don't necessarily have to put material and finish because they are generally called out on the individual part level, but I definitely need to have a title, a drawing number, and a revision. So let's go back and make sure that we've linked those together. So let's go and open this document, go under the file properties, go under the file properties and look at our custom properties, and notice there's nothing in here. So first things first, let's go to description, and I'm going to call this thing engine. And as far as the part number, I'm going to call that one 2.0. Revision level, we know we're at revision A from the revision table, so go ahead and just choose A. And then I can put any other information I want to put in here after that. But in that case, I'm just going to click OK. All right, now that we added those in, click on OK, save the document, and then come back to my sheet. And because I have those things linked together, now it does show engine. It does say drawing 2.0, and it got revision A. So that's all looking really good there. You might also add a few notes up here. Notice we did add some notes to our design library. You can drag and drop some of those notes in if you wanted to, like that one. We're not going to be changing the material or the finish, so you can go back and then edit this note and make some other notes in here if you'd like to, but we're just going to add the note section so you do have it. And if you had a note already pre-set up, like a paint call out or maybe some kind of assembly procedure, you can then just drag that in from your design library, or the first time you create it, just go ahead and save it to your design library. It's going to save you all that work the next time you go and pull it up. Overall, this drawing looks pretty nice to me. Go ahead and save it. You probably want to print it out, and then I definitely recommend saving it as a PDF. Go up to File, Save As, and then you can save it right down here as a PDF document, which will allow us to send it to suppliers, give it to your sales team, and just easily work and look at that drawing without having to have SolidWorks.